for those who harbor no enmity. It is blissful to live even among enemies. Dhammapad 197. Among those who hate, we live without hating. When they hate, we live without hating. We live extremely happily among those who hate. We the unhating live happily midst the haters. Among the hating humans from hatred dwell we free. Dhammapad 197. Su sukhong bato jibamo berinesu o berino berinesu manusyesu bihoramo o berino. Dhammapad 197.